Hello everyone, today I want to talk about a fantastic brand that is making waves in the world of skincare and wellness, Keravita. And the reason I'm so excited to share this is because they really understand the importance of supporting good nails and hair. Now we all know how important nails and hair are to our overall appearance and self-confidence. They not only add a touch of beauty but also provide us with various benefits such as strength, protection, and aesthetic appeal. Therefore, it is significant to take care of them with proper care and attention. Keravita is all about offering skin and hair care solutions that are specially designed to support the health and vitality of your nails and hair. With a wide range of products to suit different needs, you'll find everything you need to keep your nails and hair looking their best. My favorite Keravita products include their strengthening hair masks, which give me much needed nourishment and help my hair grow stronger. Their hair serums are also incredible, giving my hair a much-needed dose of hydration and shine. And let's not forget their nail care kits, which contain a variety of nail products designed to help you achieve the perfect manicure and pedicure. So if you're looking to support good nails and hair, I highly recommend giving Keravita a try. With their wide range of products and exceptional care, you'll be well on your way to beautiful, healthy nails and hair. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.